Hello students, today we are going to learn about conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins two words, two groups of words, or two sentences. That's why they are also called joining words. The conjunctions that we are going to learn about are and, but, or, because. Let's start with our first conjunction, and. The conjunction and is used to join together two sentences or words. For example, I like to eat apples. I like to eat oranges. Now both the sentences are talking about what I like to eat. So if I have to join these two sentences, I will join it with the help of the conjunction and rewrite it as I like to eat apples and oranges. Similarly, the baker made cookies. The baker made pancakes. Both the sentences are telling us what the baker has made. Now, if I have to join these two sentences, I will again join these two sentences with the help of the conjunction and write it as the baker made cookies and pancakes. Let's take up one more example. Tom bought new clothes. Adam bought new clothes. Now both the sentences are telling us what Tom and Adam have bought. So we will join these two sentences and rewrite it as Tom and Adam bought new clothes. Now let's move to the next conjunction, that is but. The conjunction but is used to join words or sentences that have opposite ideas. Now let's take up some examples to understand it better. I like to read books. I don't like to write. Now, these two sentences are talking about two different ideas. So, if we have to join these two sentences and rewrite it, then we will use the conjunction but and rewrite the sentence as I like to read books, but I don't like to write. Similarly, Dolly wants to play with her toys. Dolly has to clean her room. Now, both the sentences are talking about two opposite ideas. So, if we have to join these two sentences, then we have to do so with the help of the conjunction but. So, we will rewrite the sentence as Dolly wants to play with her toys, but she has to clean her room. Let's take up one more example. Kim wants to make a sandwich. Kim does not have bread. Here again, we can see that both the sentences are expressing opposite ideas. So if we have to join these two sentences, then we have to use the conjunction but and rewrite it. So we will rewrite the sentence as Kim wants to make a sandwich, but she does not have bread. Now let's move to the next conjunction, that is or. The conjunction or is used to join words or sentences that offer a choice. For example, I can read a book. I can watch a movie. Now here I have an option between reading a book and watching a movie. So if I have to join these two sentences, then I will use the conjunction or and rewrite the sentence as I can read a book or watch a movie. Similarly, Ram can complete his work. Ram can sleep. Now here, in both the sentences, we can see that Ram has an option between completing his work and sleeping. So, Here, we will join these two sentences with the help of the conjunction or and rewrite it as Ram can complete his work or sleep. Let's take up one more example. Would you like to have tea? Would you like to have coffee? Now, in these two sentences, we are offered a choice between tea and coffee. So, if we have to join these two sentences, then we will do it with the help of the conjunction or and rewrite the sentence as Would you like to have tea or coffee? Now, let's move to the next conjunction, because. The conjunction because is used when we have to express a reason, like to say why something happens. For example, Sam shouted loudly. Sam saw a lizard on the wall. Now here, if you will read these two sentences carefully, the first part of the sentence talks about the action Sam did. And the second part of the sentence talks about the reason why he did that action. So, if we have to join these two sentences, then we will use the conjunction because and rewrite the sentence as Sam shouted loudly because he saw a lizard on the wall. Next, Kavita was crying. Kavita lost her new crayons. Again, the first part of the sentence is telling that Kavita is crying, the action that she is doing. And the second part of the sentence tells us the reason why she is crying. So, if we have to join these sentences, then again we will use the conjunction because and rewrite the sentence as Kavita was crying because she lost her new crayons. Let's take up one more example. Meena is wearing a new dress. Meena is going for a party. Here again, the first part of the sentence is telling us that Meena is wearing a new dress. And the second part of the sentence is telling us why she is wearing a new dress. It is telling us the reason. Again, to join these two sentences, we will use the conjunction because and rewrite the sentence as Meena is wearing a new dress because she is going for a party. So children, with this we come to the end of today's presentation. Thank you.